First then, all you need is some bread, butter, and an egg. I turn the stove on. I'm just gonna take a little butter and grease the pan. My bread I have here is real good. This is really good. I'm just gonna put it there, and then I'm gonna like flip it and just wait for it to toast. And we keep this frozen, so it would take a little while. Butter and toasted. So now what I'm going to do is put it on the plate and take this cookie cutter and just cut a circle right in the middle. Okay, so now this can go back on there. Let's open this just for some more toasting. So I'm going to take my egg, and if you couldn't see where this is going. Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed. No, I can't do it. Oh, got a shell. That's okay. Now I'm going to let it fry. Clearly, it overflowed because this bread is very small, but you can use larger bread. I don't really care. It's another day, and I used a larger cookie cutter, so the egg fits perfectly. So this is what it looks like. It's perfect. Just letting you know. And pepper and salt. For seasoning. This isn't a fail. Wow. I'll put this back on here. Looks so good. Looks like overflowed a little bit. That's okay. I'm just gonna take some of this salsa from Whole Foods, and I just like to just put a little bit, and then that's what it looks like. And this I like to use for like when the yolk overflows and you can just eat it up. Let's try it. Okay. That's what it looks like. I think I'll go from, I don't know, maybe from here. This is by far the easiest one. I've just cut up some apples and I have some peanut butter. And that's it. Good. It's healthy. It's so easy. It's great. Hi, the next thing you can make, which is very easy, very good, and very healthy, is a smoothie. I'm gonna make mine with like mostly fruits. And you can use like vegetables too, like spinach or something. We just don't have any like leafy greens right now. So yeah, I'm also going to be making an acai based smoothie. So I have these little packs, which I love so much. I talk about them all the time. They're just these like organic acai like blended things. And you just like run it under water, and then you open it into this little blender. You just blend it up with your smoothies. So as you can tell, I have done that. I've added the acai, and then I added a banana and some frozen berries. And you can add like whatever you want, like fresh berries. We just had frozen ones, so that's what I did. Now I'm gonna blend it up. I also added water. And now I'm gonna blend it up. Okay, then we're done. That literally took like 5 minutes maybe. Like all of these take such a quick amount of time, and they're so good. This smells really good. So I'm just gonna pour this into a glass. Wow, it's like almost perfect. And you can like just have this for whenever, like after you like exercise or whatever. And then, yeah, you can just like for dinner, for a snack, not for dinner, for breakfast. So, and you can just pop it in the fridge if you don't eat it. And I just like to drink my smoothies with a straw. I mean, you can just drink it, but I like a straw, but not a straw that harms the environment, let me tell you. So we have these metal straws. They're taller than the glass, but that's so good. and I like to save the environment using my metal straws. So yeah, that's another little quick recipe, and it's just great. Wow, that is actually a pineapple. So my next snack is something I love. It's so good, so easy. Two things. It's yogurt. I just had the So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk yogurt alternative, which I had in these little cups, but this one's like the big one, and it's just plain, and just some berries. I have just, nice one. I have just strawberries here, and it's so good. And here's the finished product. P.S. This yogurt is so good. Like, it tastes sweet, and it's just really good. And then that's just what it looks like. Kind of looks like strawberries and cream, although I've never had that, but. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. This bowl of fruit, which is another great healthy snack. Fruit. And it has all my favorites. I like all the fruits. Looks very good. Almond butter, banana toast. It's so good. I just used this almond butter, a banana, and toasted this. So good. There's my toast. I just fried an egg. Oh, it's frying now, but this is going to be another egg recipe. We have 2 pieces of toast. It's just kind of like wheat toast. It's really good. It's like multi-grain. And I'm just going to spread some avocado on both sides. I turned on like the light so you could see, but I'm sure you knew where I was going with this. I only used half an avocado because the toast is small, and then I put an egg on this one. So this is a really good lunch. It's filling and it's delicious. I put a little salt and pepper, and yeah,